In this class component called myComponent, we start with a constructor where we initiate the state. We're setting an initial state property called hasMounted to false, indicating that the component has not yet mounted to the DOM. Once the component is actually mounted to the DOM, React automatically invokes the component didMount Lifecycle method. Here, we update the hasMounted state to true. It's also the perfect place for any AJAX calls you need to perform to fetch data. When a component's state or props change, the component didUpdate method is called. Here, we receive previous props and previous state as arguments, enabling us to compare them with the current props and state. In this case, if the user ID prop changes, we can perform actions like fetching new data relevant to the new user ID. Just before the component is removed from the DOM, the component will unmount method is called. This is where you clean up any ongoing operations such as network requests or timers to prevent memory leaks. Finally, the render method will visually reflect the state of the component. It outputs a message telling us whether the component has mounted. The message changes based on the hasMounted state. Render is called initially when the component mounts and then again each time the state or props are updated, which triggers a re-render.